On a Skywell unit, you may encounter on installation or on a service call that the machine is not dispensing water. The filters may be fine and all the lines may be clean, but you still does not dispense water. At that point, you would need to press the small gear on the right corner, enter 2856, OK, and on the top you will see the date and time. Press that and verify that the date and time is correct. If it is, select your continent, press the N, and the machine will come up with North America. Then over the next, you're going to press Eastern for the Eastern time zone, and make sure that it says America Halifax. That is the proper setting. Then tap where the blue will get rid of the screen and verify that everything is correct. What you would need to do now is go to the time. Skywell recommends that we bring this into the future about 8 hours. So we probably want to scroll up to about, I would say 11 o'clock, because you don't want to go to midnight, but try to go 8 hours into the future. And then press apply at the bottom. Press yes. And the machine will reset. Notice the date and time has changed to 11:27 p.m. We would then need to go right back in. I apologize, if you go down here to the bottom corner, you'll see a red triangle, which is telling us that the machine has been off for more than 4 hours. If you get this indicator, double click. Okay, then X out. We then need to go back into service mode by pressing 100 on the top, 2856, OK. You're now in service mode. You'll see on the bottom corner, it'll say clear machine off alert. Press that. It will ask you if the machine is clean. You would say yes. And then close out of service mode. You notice the error is gone. Now, you want to re-enter user mode, pressing the bottom right corner, 2856, OK. Back up to the date. And we want to put this back to the proper time of day, which right now it is 4:28 p.m. Oh, one more down. Here we go. Now, verify that the date is correct. Apply. Yes. And the machine will restart again.